Ready for a lazy, sparkling day? On August 10th, we celebrate National Lazy Day, a perfect excuse to relax and let go of household chaos. One customer shared, "Today Lorena transformed my cluttered apartment into a pristine haven within 2 hours. I couldn't be happier." Another raved, "Cece's meticulous care made my home shine, freeing me to unwind without worry." Their testimonials prove that embracing laziness can be liberating when professionals handle the mess. With Aloha Maids, effortlessly enjoy quality cleaning without lifting a finger. Imagine spending your day enjoying leisure, free from the stress of scrubbing endless surfaces and dusting corners. This National Lazy Day, treat yourself to effortless comfort. Book using discount code LAZY65 to receive $65 off your next cleaning. Offer ends August 10th.